Here we have a PDF open in Adobe Acrobat. So to find the accessibility checker, you want to select All Tools and then look for the Prepare for Accessibility button. When you select that button, it will open up the Prepare for Accessibility tab. And the first thing you can do to tag the PDF, which helps with the reading order and headings and stuff like that, is select Automatically Tag PDF. So we select that button. It says it's already tagged. Do you want to re-tag it? We're going to do that just to make sure that everything is tagged correctly. So I'll hit confirm, and you can see on the right side of the screen that it tagged the PDF. We have everything in here now. I can select on a figure. If I click this arrow, it opens it up, and then it has a description of the image. Here, if we click on table, it shows us the table, and if we open that, we can see the table rows and such. And now what I want to do is do an accessibility report. So we'll do check for accessibility and start checking. And now it tells me I have 3 issues in this document and 1 alt text issue. So we can open that up by selecting this little arrow. And here we have passed. Everything's passed. It says I might want to check the reading order. It needs manually checked. That should be fine. Title failed because there is no title, but then it also tells me that the color contrast needs a manual check. Well, by looking at this, I can tell that this is my color contrast issue. So to edit that, you select Edit and then Text, and then you can just highlight that text, and I'm going to change that color to black. And now that color contrast issue has been fixed. To check the alt text on the images, I need to go back to All Tools, Prepare for Accessibility, and then Add Alternative Text. So when I select that, it's going to show me those. Here in this first image, there is no alt text for this first image. I will type in the alt text. So for my alt text, I want to make sure and describe it as if I was describing it to someone over the phone. So I have my description in, and I will select Save and Close to close that one out. If I want to go to the next image, I can click this arrow, and it will take me to the next image for me to type in the alt text for it. So I'm going to stop now and hit Save and Close. And now my document has been saved. Menu, then save my file. Thanks for watching.